In this tutorial, I will show you how you can delete your playlist 2 ways. Please subscribe. Let's start. First method. Log into your channel account. Then from the left side go to playlist. And here you are seeing your playlist here. So like here, if I want to delete this one, click on 3 dots. Click on delete. So playlist deleted. So you can delete playlist in another way. Let's see the second method. From your channel logo go to YouTube Studio. Right hand side go to content. Go to playlist. If I want to delete SQL Server tutorial, go to this 3 options. Delete SQL Server tutorial. Deleting playlists from action cannot be undone. The videos within playlist would not be deleted. Click on delete. So right now I don't have that one. So if you like this video content, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.